Hello, my name is Santiago Vasquez and I'm the program chair of the Biotechnology department. I'm going to share my screen to give you a little bit of information on the Masters in Biotechnology program at UHCL. If we can get this started. So my name is Dr. Santiago, and you can see my picture right here. We also have a department chair. It's Dr. Pozdrawski. He's the chair of the Department of Biology and Biotechnology. There's two programs in our department. As far as the admission requirement for a student that is trying to apply to our program, we require them to have a biology related bachelor's degree. And for that, you need to send us your transcript that will show your GPA. The GRE is completely optional. If you want to send it to us, send it to us. But if you don't want to send it to us, which a lot of students are happy about that, then for us, it's completely optional. This is not just related to the pandemic, but it has been optional for quite a while now. If you decide not to submit your GRE, we are requesting that you send us 3 letters of recommendation for people that can talk about your education, a statement of research telling us what you plan to do once you complete your master's degree, and also a resume that shows your experience in biology, biotechnology, what type of, if you have been involved in any type of research or any experience that might be relevant to you being accepted into the program. We have 3 areas of specialization in biotechnology. The most popular one is cellular and molecular biotechnology. This is for students that want to continue working in the lab as research assistants, research associates, or might even want to do a PhD later on. We also have a bioinformatics for those students that are pretty good with computers and want to be in that middle ground in between data sciences and biology. And we also have a management track for those students who might at one point want to step out of the lab and be more behind closed doors, perhaps managing a lab or writing grants and doing things like that. Each area only requires 30 hours of coursework. This is a recent change. We used to require 36, like most masters at UHCL, but now it's only 30, which is great because that might mean 1 less semester of work. And it's a little bit less, not only time, but less money. So this is definitely an advantage of doing our program. You get to do it on only 30 hours. And this is going to include core courses and some designated elective courses. I know that this is a lot of information for you, but I just wanted to show you really quickly the 3 tracks that we have: molecular biotechnology here, bioinformatics in the middle, and management over here. And all of this information you can find in the catalog and in the website. There it will show you what are the core courses, the foundation courses, the electives. All of that information is on the website. You can also do research. That's the great thing about UHCL. Not only do we teach, but each faculty has active research lab. Some of the faculty that you will meet for sure, it will be Dr. Martha Ariza. She will be teaching all of your biotechnology core labs. She does research in fungal microbiology. Another faculty that you will probably meet in one of your courses, Dr. Rashid. He does applied biotechnology core course, and he does a lot of research in protein, biochemistry, and biotechnology. And finally, you'll probably also learn Dr. Ron Mills, who teaches the bioethics core course, and he does plant biochemistry. There's other faculty here, for instance, Dr. Larry Rohde. He was one of the original founders. He does genetics, biotechnology. And then Dr. Brian Stevens, who's the program chair of biology. He does also plant biochemistry and genomics, but there's more people. I invite all of you to visit the website and look at the faculty. We have a lot of very exciting research programs, and you can join any of these. We have 2 options for students that are completing the master's. We have a non-thesis option, And this one is the most popular. This one, you can still do research, but you don't end up doing a research project of your own. This is also 30 hours. And then we have a thesis one where you have your own independent research project. It is 30 hours, but typically when you do thesis, it takes a little bit longer. So it might take you, instead of a year and a half to 2, it might take you 2 to 2.5 years to complete. The students that want to do a PhD eventually typically do the thesis option, although that is not required to do a PhD. We also have research assistant, and even though it's not in the slide, teaching assistant opportunities. We don't have as many RA opportunities. We do have more TAs. We didn't used to have so many before, but now because our students are well known across the university as students that work hard, you can do a TA in our program or in our department, but also some of our students go to chemistry and even math to do to be a teaching assistant. So that's something that you can inquire about, and you get a little bit of pocket money to help you with your expenses. And you might be wondering, why do I want to go to UHCL? Where do they go? Our students go everywhere. As I mentioned before, they can do PhDs, they can go do other professional degrees. A lot of them stay in town. We have a lot of labs in town, such as UTMB, UT Health, Baylor College of Medicine, MD Anderson, Houston Methodist. We also have a company in a nearby town called Pearland. This company is called Lonza, and there's other ones that are established in Pearland. So they really have made a name for themselves, and we're very proud of all of our graduates. They've found a lot of opportunities and they've done really well. So our degree will definitely help you get a foot in the door somewhere, whatever you are interested in. So if you have any questions, here's my email, Santiago, that's SANTIAGO at UHCL.edu. I'll repeat it one more time, Santiago, SANTIAGO at UHCL.edu. This semester, we're not seeing students in person, but you can always email me or email any of the other faculty and request a Zoom meeting. So it was nice talking to you, and I hope to hear from some of you soon. I'm going to now stop sharing my screen and stop my recording. See you later.